Let's go over some basic techniques of bell ringing. When we ring the tone chime, our hand will be going in a circular motion. It looks like the chain of a bicycle. You go down, forward, up, back toward you, down, forward, up, back toward you. You hit the bell, you come back. Hit the bell and we go in a circle. See that, how it goes in a circle? Let's try that. Pretend you have an imaginary bell in your hand. You ring, you go forward, and you go back. You ring, forward, back. A circular motion. Just like the chain of a bicycle. See that? Next thing, pretend it's a glass of water. And we're not going to spill the water out of the glass. We're going to keep them upright. We could tilt them a little bit, but no spilling the water out of the glass. And here's why. You all know the basic science of sound. Sound is vibrations that travel through the air. So the metal vibrates and it travels straight across this way. If you face it toward the ground, the sound is going to go toward the ground and not toward the audience. So we want it to go toward the audience. So don't spill the water out of the cup. So one more thing, stopping. And I'll do a nice close-up for you. To stop it, you just make the metal part touch your chest or your shoulder. Watch again. So sometimes I see people have the mallet touch their chest and they don't understand why isn't it stopping? What's going on? Because the metal has to stop vibrating, not the mallet. Next thing, this is not a thumb plate. Hand goes down here. Got it? Not a thumb plate. Hand goes down here. And so we got the circular motion. Keep the water in the glass. And let's go to some music notes here. So we'll go over these note names first, and then we're going to go over more with when to start and stop the bell based on counting. So we have notes in spaces. And in music class you learned spaces spell F-A-C-E. Let's say that. F-A-C-E. I'm going to test you on a letter. What letter is this? If you went F-A-C and said that's C, you are correct. What letter is this? If we do F-A-C-E, that's F. So if you said F, you are correct. What letter is this? If you went F-A, and you have A, you are correct. So tell me the letter, and I'm going to tell you what it is after you say it. What's this? F. What's this? A. What's this? C. What letter is this? C. What letter is this? F. What letter is this? A. Let's just say the letters one time. Ready? Go. F, A, C, C, rest, F, A. Now, in music class, you've learned this note. What kind of note is that? This is the half note. How many beats is a half note? 2 beats. Half note has 2 beats. What kind of note is this? This is the quarter note. How many beats is a quarter note? Quarter note gets 1 beat. When we get to the half note, we're going to hold the word F 2 beats. We're going to go F. Say that. Ready? Go. F. Let's say the letters now. Ready? Go. F, A, C, C, F, A. Let's go backwards. Ready? Go. A, F, C, C, A, F. And now let's go over the counting. Let's clap and count. I'll count with you first time. I'll clap with you first time. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go backwards. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count and clap it on your own. Ready? Go. So now you're probably wondering, well, what are these lines? This divides them into measures. This 4 beats is a measure, this 4 beats is a measure. You could have a song with 100 measures in it. This song has 2 measures, measure 1, measure 2, divided by bar lines. Okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I don't want you to think that all music is in 4. We'll have songs in the future that have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You can have songs in 5, you can have songs in 7. But right now we're starting with the easiest one, which is 4. So let's clap and count one more time. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to start with A. You'll notice it says the letter A on there, and it has right there a picture of the staff. And it shows A right there, F-A-C-E. So you could actually look on the bell to see where it is on the staff if you forget. So let's get these straightened up. And so on what beat do we play the A? We play the A on beat 2. Now, on what beat do we stop the A? We stop the A on beat 3. Because here's how it works. You start a note and you stop the note when you are followed by a different letter name or a rest. So you're going to go A, stop. Or you're going to go 2, 3. Because we stop when we say, so when we say 3, we go 3. Let's do that. And I'll go closer so you can really see. 3. See how it touches it on 3? So you go 2, 3, and you stop right on 3. It's very, very important that you stop on the right place. We're going to play A, and then on what beat do we start this A? We started on beat 4. Hypothetically, there would be a beat 1 after it, so we would stop it on 1. Let's play and count. And pretend you have an A in your hand, a handbell. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you stop it as if there's a 1 after it. Let's go backwards. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You stop it when you say 4. Let's move on to F. On what beat do we start the F? We start F on beat 1. On what beat do we stop it? We stop the F on beat 2 because that's when it changes to an A. So we're going to go 2. Let's do that. Ready? Go. 2. Then we're going to play the F. Watch this. We're going to go 1, 2. Let's do that. Ready? Go. 1, 2. And on 2, you touch your shoulder with the metal. On what beat do we start this F? This F starts on beat 2. On what beat do we stop it? We stop the F on beat 4 because that's when it changes to an A. So we start on 2, we go 2, 3, 4. Let's do that with your imaginary bell in your hand. Ready? Go. 2, 3, 4. So you say 4. Let's do the whole thing on F. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go backwards. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go forwards one more time. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. And remember I said this is not a thumb plate. You have to put your hand down here so it vibrates better. So let's move on to this one. What letter is that? This letter is C, F-A-C-E. So here's the C. And once again, if you look, you can see the letter C on the top, and on the bottom it shows you the clef and the C. So on what beat do we play the C? We play the C on beat 4. On what beat do we stop it? We stop it on beat 1 because that's a rest. Let's do that. Ready, go. 4, 1. I'll move closer so you can see better. Ready, go. 4, 1. Now, on what beat do we start this C? We started on 3. 1, 2, 3. On what beat do we stop it? We stop that. We actually don't stop it. Remember I said when it goes to a different letter, we stop it? If it goes to the same letter, we don't stop it. So it'll be without a stop. You're not going to go unless there was a rest between there, which there is not. So let's do that. So it's going to be 3, 4, 1, and we stop on 1. Ready, go. 3, 4, 1. Try it again. Ready, go. 3, 4, 1. Let's play the whole thing. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go backwards. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's go forward one more time. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I'm going to give turns out to the class. I'm going to actually give you an F. I'm giving you an F. So, I'm going to count off. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You are supposed to be counting out loud yourselves. Because when you do this on your own, I'm not going to be counting with you. You have to count it out loud on your own. I'll give another person a chance on an F. Let's go backwards. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll give another turn going forward. Remember, we start on 1, stop on 2. We start on 2, we stop on 4. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's have another turn going backwards. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to now do A. So I'm going to give you an A. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go backwards with another turn. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll give another person a turn going forward. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'll give another turn to another person going backwards. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go to C. So remember, you play it, you start on 3, you don't stop, you play another one on 4, and then you stop on the rest on beat 1. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And remember, you're supposed to be counting yourselves. You count out loud. Let's give another turn to somebody else going backwards. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do another turn going forward. Another person. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's give another person going backwards. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we're going to do a review of the letters, review the counting, and I'm going to give turns where all 3 bells are taken by 3 different people. Let's say the letters. Ready? Go. F, A, C, C, F, A. Let's go backwards. Ready? Go. A, F, C, C, A, F. Let's clap and count. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And remember I said a rest does have a beat to it. This is a 1 beat rest, a quarter rest. So you can never say a rest doesn't have a beat. A rest doesn't have a sound, but it's a beat that has no sound. It's like a minute that goes by without anybody doing anything. It's a beat that goes by without any sound. So let's, I'm going to give out F, A, and C, 3 different people, and I'll point and help you out for this one. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's have another group of FAC, and we're going to go backwards. 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's have a group to go forward, but this group is going to count on their own. 1, 2, ready, go. And let's have another group go. This time I'll count with this group, but I'm not going to point. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'll do another group, and this one I'll count. I'll point for them and count. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's have another group that's going to count and on their own and not even have me pointing. And the clock will keep time. You can probably hear it ticking a little bit, right? Hear that? 1, 2, ready, go. So that clock is like a metronome. So as a review, what letter is that? C. What letter is that? A. What letter is that? F. How many beats is a half note? 2. How many beats is a quarter note? 1. What kind of rest is that? Quarter rest.